Imagine a night sky ablaze with vibrant hues of green, purple and red. These shimmering curtains of light, known as the northern lights or aurora borealis, dance across the polar skies, captivating all who witness them. This breathtaking spectacle is a symphony of color and movement, a testament to the raw power and beauty of our universe. But what if this celestial ballet was more than just a visual masterpiece? What if it also held secrets of sound, whispering tales from the edges of our atmosphere? The northern lights occur when charged particles from the sun, carried by solar winds, collide with atoms in Earth's upper atmosphere. This interaction excites the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light. The colors we see depend on the type of atom involved and the altitude at which the collision occurs. Oxygen, for example, produces the most common green and red auroras. This celestial display has fascinated humankind for millennia, inspiring countless myths and legends. Ancient civilizations often attributed the lights to spirits, gods, or celestial beings. Yet, beyond their captivating beauty lies a mystery that has puzzled scientists and sky watchers for centuries. Can these ethereal lights also produce sound? Can we hear the aurora sing? For generations, people living under the northern lights have shared anecdotal accounts of hearing hissing, crackling, or even popping sounds during intense auroral displays. These reports often describe the sounds as being faint, fleeting, and closely linked to the movements of the lights themselves. However, for a long time, the scientific community remained skeptical. The upper atmosphere, where auroras occur, is incredibly thin. Sound waves need a medium like air to travel, and the air at such high altitudes is simply too sparse to carry sound waves to the ground. Additionally, the distance between the auroras and observers on the ground further complicates the possibility of hearing them. Despite the scientific skepticism, the persistence and consistency of anecdotal accounts suggested that there might be more to the story. Could there be another explanation, a hidden mechanism by which the auroras could be producing audible sounds? Could these whispers from the sky be real? Recent scientific investigations have shed light on the mystery of aurora sounds, providing evidence that these ethereal noises are not just folklore or imagination. Researchers from Aalto University in Finland have successfully recorded distinct sounds during auroral displays, confirming what many people have reported for centuries. These recordings, made using specialized microphones and electromagnetic sensors, captured a range of sounds, clicks, crackles, and static that coincided with the visual activity of the auroras. The Finnish researchers discovered that these sounds originate much closer to the ground than previously thought. They found that during auroral events, a layer of warm air forms at an altitude of about 70 to 80 kilometers. This layer, sandwiched between colder layers above and below, acts as a kind of conduit, allowing electrical discharges from the auroras to create audible sound waves much closer to the Earth's surface. These findings provide a plausible explanation for how auroral sounds could be generated and heard by people on the ground. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, the discovery of these sounds opens up new avenues for understanding the complex interactions between the Earth's atmosphere and solar activity. Don't forget to subscribe to Brain Bites for more fascinating content.